Hello, my fly babies, my lions, my patrons. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday. It is Family Fun Day. So we have two things to do if you're an at-home fly baby. That's routines and Family Fun Day. If you are a payroll lion, we have routines, Family Fun Day, and zone catch-up and weekly home blessing hour catch-up. That's what we're having to do today. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with our at-home fly babies. So at-home fly babies, you're going to get up this morning and do your routine. Remember, make your bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, comb your hair, apply some makeup, jewelry if you want, perfume if you want, even makeup if you want. Get your clothes on, put your pajamas away, wipe the sink, swish the toilet, even on Saturday. Go to the kitchen, empty the dishes, put on your coffee or tea, and start breakfast. Then when it's time, go wake up your family. Their routine is make their bed, brush their teeth, wash their face, comb their hair, put on their clothes, put their pajamas away, wipe out the sink, come to the kitchen, eat breakfast, and whatever little chore you've added. Okay? You're going to do a inspect what you expect and a clutter check of yourself and your family. And then you're going to enjoy your day. There will be another clutter check around noon and one more at bedtime. You're going to have after dinner routine later on today, but you do not have laundry. Your kids might, but you do not. You are going to go through an inch of paper today, and then you're going to check your planner first thing in the morning and at the end of the day. Yes, you are. And don't forget, tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day, so really prepare for that and prepare the family. And that's it for you. You're going to have a fabulous day. Let me talk to my payroll fly babies because this is a little more complicated for them because they do work outside of the home. So here we go. Payroll fly babies, lions, and patrons. So what are we going to do? Well, you're going to get up this morning and do your morning routine that I just described. Your family's going to do their morning routine that I just described. And then you're going to start a load of laundry and an inch of paper. Now for you, because you work, if you have kids who are 9 or older, I would suggest they do their laundry during the time that you're not home. So when they first come home from school, they can put their load in on X day, and this one can do his on X day, and this one can do hers on X day. So that's out of the way. You're just doing your little 4 or 5 loads. That's it. And so you've done most of those during the week. But if you haven't been able to, then this is your last day to do a little bit of laundry. Go through a paper, right? And then we're going to go to step 2, which is the basic weekly home blessing hour. Has it been done? Did you delegate it? If not, you're responsible for getting those done today, with the help or without the help of your family. You're also going to do some errands. So you've got to do your groceries today. Either you can have them delivered, or you can have somebody go pick them up for you, or you can delegate the shopping, or you can go do the shopping. But it's going to take a chunk out of your morning. All right. Next thing we're going to do is any zone cleaning that you didn't get done during the week. We're in zone 2, the kitchen. So if you haven't done 4 deep cleaning things in there, or you haven't decluttered for 4 15-minute sessions, that's what you're going to be doing today. Don't forget to complete your process. Vow to get all of this done first thing in the morning. The rest of this day is Family Fun Day. And for all of you, I know a lot of times the family gets together and does the yard work together, and I think that's great, and it is a family fun thing. You can have fun doing that. And then a wonderful reward after. Maybe go get ice cream or serve up a sundae at home. All right, then everybody is going to have 3 clutter checks today, 2 or 3 inspect what you expects today. Look at your planner this morning, look at your planner before bed, and really think, tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day, so we're going to really prep the kids' minds for that because we don't want whiners in the morning. No, we don't. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget, everyone's going to clean up after dinner, even if it's hot dogs on paper plates. Somebody has to help clean. That's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.